Hello everybody. So, I just got home from the convenience store and I got something awesome for Andy. I was going to wait till Christmas, but I think it's so awesome I don't think I can really wait. It is a giant monster sign. Look at it. It is awesome. So, sorry, I had to make sure it was still recording. So I think I'm going to give that to him when he gets home from work, which is 11 o'clock. And, yeah, it's just awesome. Now, what I was going to do for today's video, I'll have to actually go downstairs for that. I'm actually going to make some homemade cat treats. Well, kind of homemade. You'll see what I mean. But let me show you what I got at work today. A cat bubbler. I just bring it up because it's here in the room. It's kind of like a cat fountain, but it makes little bubbles. And you can adjust it so it doesn't bubble. And then it does bubble. Yeah. But anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. I mean, this thing is awesome. Dixon, what do you think of Daddy's new thing? Oh. Did it scare you? Did it scare you? Did you make it fall down? But, yeah, it is awesome. Alright, so back to what should be the normal vlog, other than my very excited post about the monster sign. So today I am going to be making kitty treats. Apparently it has catnip in it and whole wheat flour, so it's all good. And it came with a cute little whale cookie cutter. So that's what I'm going to be doing for today, is making that, and we'll see if the cats like it. Alright, time to make some kitty treat mix. So I am going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. I know you can't really read the ingredient or the instructions, so like I said, bake 350, and then I'll follow the instructions and show you how it is. Alright, so I have the dough made, I have my cookie sheet ready, oven is preheated, and I am going to put the dough there, hand flatten it out because I don't have a rolling pin, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so there are the treats, and I'm going to go ahead and pop them right in the oven for about 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes should be alright. Oh, that's too far. Alright, 15 minutes. So, I'll let you know how it turns out when they're done. Alright, so this is what they look like. I actually roped them off for the cats. I did finish this yesterday, but I didn't film giving it to them because I just didn't. So I'm finishing this today. So anyway, we have two kitty cats. Simba, you want it? See if Simba wants it. Cleo and Sasha. Cleo likes it. The other two? Nope, it's not a soft treat. They don't want it. Here, you can have the rest. Dixon, leave him alone. You can have this piece. Dixon, sit. So only Cleo likes it. But good news, Dixon, that means you get more treats. Oh, you dropped it. Well, At least the dogs like it. So anyway, that is the vlog. I'm going to wrap it up so I can edit this and upload. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm sorry I missed a day. Anyway, if you would be as so kind as to like, comment, and subscribe. Good night, everybody.